We could spend an entire series talking about new plants for the landscape, but we don't have that kind of time, and probably neither do you. I'm going to start with All America selections, and of course we will show you those in the Backyard Farmer Garden. Terry will talk about them on the minute, but let's whet your appetite and tempt you a little bit with one of the ones that will be fabulous. It's not this one because we don't have it yet, but it is called Begonia Viking XL Red on Chocolate. Deeper foliage, deeper red, great for the garden. There's a new marigold with a funky name called Big Duck Orange. I happen to be a plant nerd who also really likes the shrubs, the trees, the perennials that really add to the landscape on a more long-term basis. And of course, there are lots of new plants in that part of the house as well. There's a new baptisia called Decadence Dark Chocolate. We have a couple of the older new baptisias in the garden, so we're looking forward to that one. There are, of course, several Heucheras in the Dolce series. They have fun names like Cat's Pajamas Catmint, which is really great. There is a new Salvia that is Indigo Girl. So this is the annual Salvia, but Indigo Girl is going to be perennial for us. Now remember, you get to go online and look. All those new plants have great pictures, great marketing. Just because it's new doesn't mean it's going to work for you. So look with caution. For example, we have fall cypress. There's one called Soft Serve that's been available. This is going to be a winter that probably knocks fall cypress out of pretty much everywhere in Nebraska. Another great one is Temple of Bloom, which is the Seven Sun shrub selection. We have Seven Suns in the Backyard Farmer Garden, so we're looking forward maybe to trying this new one. There's a Weigelia called Sonic Bloom that has great red fall color. So all sorts of new plants. Let us try them first, or at least do a lot of research and see whether or not paying the money for those new plants is going to be worth it for your landscape.